Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type c:, then hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib c:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space c:/boot/bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.